The 2017 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, navigation system, all-wheel drive, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.